The results are encouraging, even if they come from tests on only 8 people. Half received a low dose of the vaccine, the other half a medium-sized dose.
Even at the lowest dose that we tested, the 25 microgram dose, we are already seeing an immune response at the level of people who've been infected with this virus and are believed now not to be susceptible to further disease.
These early results are the first available from a trial that tested 45 people in all. Some received a high dose and showed some side effects, so that dosage will no longer be tested.
The vaccine was generally safe and well tolerated, but 45 people is still a relatively small number. And so we'll be looking across 600 people in the phase 2 study, which will start any day now.
The U.S. Food and Drug Administration had already fast-tracked approval for phase 2. The president is impressed.
It's incredible what they can do, and I've seen results, and the results are staggeringly good. So I'm very happy.
Moderna's vaccine is one of dozens being rushed through development around the world. At least 10 are here in Canada, and human trials for one have been approved. But there are warnings to keep this all in perspective.
Most of these vaccines are going to fail. Even if they look promising in preclinical studies, even if they look promising in these early clinical studies like these phase 1 clinical trials, most of them will not make it to market. And that's okay. The point here is that there are lots of eggs in the basket.
But he calls these early results announced today exciting.
The next steps are going to be to look at this vaccine using in many more individuals now that we know it's safe, to see does it actually protect against COVID-19 infection.
Moderna expects phase 3 trials involving thousands of people to begin in early summer. It says it could have a vaccine by as soon as early next year, if everything goes without a hitch. Lorenda Redekop, CBC News, Toronto.